Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to Code Battle with Ajay. In today's video, we'll learn about the another problem of binary search. The problem is floor in a sorted array. So the problem statement is given a sorted array and integer x, find the index of the largest element in array that is less than or equal to x. Element is called the floor of x. Such an element does not exist. Return -1. So the example is given a array 1, 2, 8, 10, 10, 12, 19 and x value is 5. So the value is largest number, then less than or equal to 5 is 2. So the index is 1. And the another example is 1 comma 2 at 10, 10, 12, 19, or the x value is 11. So the largest number is less than or equal to 11 is 10, so the index is 4. And in third example, the largest value is does not exist, so return -1. So I write the brute force approach, but int answer is equals to -1 and int n equals to array dot size for plus plus if array of I is less than equals to x, then अपडेट कर दो आंसर इक्वल्स टू max of answer comma I, then return -1. sorry, return answer. Run this code. The output is correct, then submit this problem. Okay, all test case pass, but the time complexity is n, so I can reduce the time complexity from n to log n by using binary search. So I write the binary search code. Integer left is equals to 0 and right is equals to n minus 1, while left less than equals to right, and mid equals to left plus right equal to if array of mid is less than equals to x, then update answer equals to max of answer comma mid, then less than equals to, so I reduce the my space area by half, left equals to mid plus 1, else right equals to mid minus 1, then return answer. So run this code and now submit. Okay, all test case pass. So for binary search, the time complexity is log n. So if the video is helpful, then like, subscribe and share with your friends and hit the bell icon for next notification. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय, थैंक यू.